Kan lumpung ilakai football ke baar, jong kan Megalia State League MSL, kan long Biang Mynta Snem, bat kan sedang ke arpsan terik na yueng arjar kat kendai. Kan lumpung benengkong kala long Snem arjar kat nyo, hak baka kenhun ilakai jong kan nyo sa, kala yo ban kori kan amla do, hak jing ilakai ke long hanong ba jawai. Habakran cikilat patai kubor, Mynta kesengi kan riu terik na yueng. Utreasurer ka Megalia Football Association, uba Wanshan Karkerang, bat Chief Executive Officer, uba Arki Nungrum, kila itu bahakane ke kenti. On pedlong haki South Liki Jaka, kentup hari Shubal Perah Garu Hills, nang ta hamokorwan, hajawai ban haklirian. Hakane ke kenti ke East Castles kanum yo ban pediang ya kane ke jingilak kai, namar baka madan hapulo, kabun kampalat. Ka sorkar jelag la pentikina ban bay pisah hadu kentai pusaulak ya kane ke lempung.
And through this press conference, we want to inform all football lovers of the state that the second edition of the Meghalaya State League is going to commence on 25th of November 2019. For those who can recollect, we had the first edition in the year 2017, wherein Nyawasa were the champions and the finals were held at Joy. This time around, we are going to have 4 venues, and the venues are starting from Garu Hills. It will be held in Resuvelpara. We're going to have a new venue in West Hills, that is Mokrowat. Then Joy still retains as one of the venues, and we have an additional venue in Janja Hills, that is Clearia. So what has been slated is that the inaugural match will kick off from Mokrowat, and the finals will be held at Clearia. We will not be able to give you the details as of now because we are still awaiting the confirmation of from the various affiliated associations on the champion teams of their respective leagues that they have played, because the leagues, majority of them are almost in completion. So prior to the kickoff, we are going to, I assure you, going to have another press conference where we will be having all the details regarding the teams that have qualified and the kind of grouping that they are going to be put into and who plays where. Clubs will be provided financial, those clubs that have qualified, the champion clubs, they'll be provided a financial incentive as has been done in the first edition, because this is the funding is from the government, and the structure has been also been determined by the government, so they'll be getting their respective financial incentive. The association that has conducted the league successfully also will be remunerated as per the amount that has been agreed upon.